Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful fifth wheel comes equipped with flush mount gas range cover, ducted AC, carbon monoxide detector, walk around queen bed, mirrored wardrobe doors, living area sofa, front bedroom, decorative wood plank flooring, bedroom chest with drawers, residential grade carpeting, underbed storage, stainless steel kitchen appliances, triple slides, over-the-range microwave, bathroom shower with a seat, overhead kitchen storage, wardrobe closet, linen cabinet, living room fireplace, vanity with sink, solid surface kitchen countertops, outside speakers, washer and dryer prepped, dual bedroom nightstands, shower skylight, high-rise faucet, pot and pan drawer, freestanding table with chairs, detachable power cord, fire extinguisher, lower kitchen cupboards and drawers, electric stabilizer jacks, outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, bathroom toilet, living area television, smoke detector, solid surface sink covers, designer headboard, 2 recliners, roof ladder, power tongue jack, dual lights over headboard, electric awning with LED lights, pleated shades in living room and dining, universal docking system, entry grab handle, entertainment center, bathroom cabinet with mirror, pull-out spray faucet, counter peninsula, decorative kitchen backsplash, double kitchen sink, sleeps up to 4 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.